Ayun, si Tita Stephanie, oh. Thank you, Tito, sa tipay. 12K ko, 24K na in just 5 days. Wow! Wow! 12K, 20. Grabe naman, Tita. Beke na yan, Tita Stephanie Shimizu. 12K, naging 24K in just 5 days. Grabe yun. Dahil kay tipay, ah. Baka naman lugi ka pa niyan, Tita. 999 lang si tipay. Gumastos ka ng less than 1,000. Kumita ka ng 12,000. Pero alam niyo po ano, I don't want na to take credit or to grab credit dahil kay Tipay. It's because Tita Stephanie, eto po 'yon. Kayo po ang may gawa niyan. Tool lang po si Tipay. Tumulong lang po sa inyo na mas maintindihan ninyo yung market direction, yung price action. Binigyan lang po kayo ng setup. But ultimately, what leads you from 12K to 24K is your executional skill, your patience in waiting for the setup, and your discipline. Si Tipay po is just a tool para mas pasimplihin yung trading. Follow for more Tito Moves.